Today's financial advice is sponsored by Endeavor Private Wealth. Well, Chris McGee, managing partner at Endeavor Private Wealth, has joined us for our latest segment on investing. Chris, good morning.
Good morning.
Okay, Chris. So the stock market has been on a long and audacious trek from the pandemic lows to the peak in 2022 to the bottom hit later that year, and now recently climbing and reaching new heights. So I have a simple question for you. Is this a good time to invest in stocks?
Dane, I'm delighted to tell you yes, it is. And it's a simple question, and its an answer revolves around an understanding of the operative word time. I'm a firm believer that no one can consistently time the markets, and attempting to do so or following someone's advice that claims to have the ability to do so is a fool's-hearted waste of time and everything, and perhaps money also. I also believe that many investors allow their emotions to get the better of them time and time again, to their detriment of their financial well-being.
Okay, can you explain more about this relationship between kind of emotions and time?
Yeah, let's consider emotions, fear and greed, which are major drivers of investor behavior. These emotions are big, powerful emotions, often brought upon suddenly by very negative, disturbing financial events on one hand, or surprising, positive, almost euphoric developments on the other. The more intense these feelings are, the more prone investors may be to overreact in buying or selling indiscriminately during unfavorable or favorable market conditions. And these supercharged emotions may cause investors to ignore and completely forget sound principles of prudent investment management.
And anything else you might be concerned about?
Well, I'm concerned that some investors don't appreciate the value of time and its phenomenal impact on compounding returns, allowing returns in your investments, the dividends on stocks, and interest on bonds to be reinvested and to grow exponentially over long periods of time can build significant wealth, provided investors exercise self-control and do not let their emotions get in the way, causing current events to seem like forever events and prompting impulsive decisions, one after another, devoid of thoughtful reasoning and logic.
It sounds like some of the sandpaper that you talked about last week when you discussed all ways to control your spending habits might help. Creating some friction, slowing matters down, and giving ourselves more time to think before acting.
That's exactly right. I'd also suggest that investors describe their objective, risk tolerance, and time horizon with a trusted financial professional who can help them to balance their emotions with reason and logic and to make the most appropriate investment decisions for their unique situation.
All right. Well, Chris, thank you so much for joining us this morning. We always appreciate your time. Of course, everybody, if you want to learn more, you can visit EndeavorPW.com.